In this video, I will show you Excel macro that will highlight the entire row and entire column of the selection cell. To create the macro, go to the Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, double-click on this workbook. It will be available to every worksheets in the workbook. Click on this arrow and select Workbook. Activate the Next drop-down menu and select Sheet Selection Change. Our code will go to second, so delete the first one. Now type the first statement. Cells.Interior.ColorIndex equals xlColorIndexNone. This statement will remove background color of every cell of selection worksheet. Target.EntireColumn.Interior.ColorIndex equals 3. 3 is preferred color code. So this statement will highlight the active column color. Target.EntireRow.Interior.ColorIndex equals 8. 8 for cyan color. This statement will highlight the active row in cyan color. Target.Interior.ColorIndex equals xlColorIndexNone. This statement will remove background color from the selections. Close the Visual Basic editor. And now when you select a cell, the active column is highlighted in red color and active row is highlighted in cyan color. When you select another cell, column and row highlighted will move accordingly. And this will work every sheet. And here is a color code. It will help you to choose color. We have used here 3 and 8 color code palette. We will try with another pair 23 and 26. Color changed. If you need to highlight it only selected cell, go to Visual Editor to convert this statement into command. 28 color code instead of xlColorIndexNone. Close the Visual Basic editor. And now when you select a cell, the color highlight will be changed. One more step remaining. You need to save this file as a macro-enabled workbook. For this, go to File tab, click on Save As button. And here you have option to choose the type and choose the macro-enabled workbook, then choose the location you want to save. File close and reopen, and it is done. If it does not work, you have to enable VBA macro from File tab options. Trust Center settings. Macro settings. Select Enable VBA macro. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I also request to subscribe my channel to get similar kind of videos in